heart with songs of deliverance whenever I am afraid. I will trust in you. Oh, I will trust in you. Let the weak say, I am strong in the strength of the Lord. Oh, you are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Trust in you. Oh, I will trust in you. Let the weak say, I am strong in the strength of the Lord. You are my hiding place of deliverance whenever I am afraid. I will trust in you. Oh yeah, I will trust in you. Trust in you. Oh yes, Lord, I will trust in you. Oh yes, let the weak say, I am strong in the strength, and you are my hiding place, my tower of strength, and at your throne of grace I humbly bow. My affections I pour out, my eyes release their tears as I behold the beauty of you, Lord. You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance whenever I am afraid. I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Oh yes, let the weak say, am strong in the strength of the Lord. My affections I pour out, my eyes release their tears as I behold the beauty of you, Lord. Oh, how I long to see your face. Oh, yes, I long to see your face. And you are my dwelling place. With you my heart will stand. How I long to see your face, yes, Jesus. And how I long to see your face. You are my dwelling place. With you my heart will stand. My affections I pour out, my eyes release their tears as I behold the beauty of you, Lord. These are the washrooms that are inside the building, and we have the parking space there. This is our reception area, and there is the way into the main church. And this side we have the Sunday school. Currently we are using it for the metal fabrications. That is right, but is the Sunday school, and then times we will be working on it as well. And Sister Carla, thank you so much. God bless you abundantly, my sister Rachel. You're beautiful people in the eyes of the Lord. That's our generator. And this way we have the control center. It's a bit dark. We already have a gate on the building, so I think we are now secure and lacking nothing. None of the requirements is missing now. We've not yet installed the cameras. They're supposed to be installed within this week when they are finished with the plastering of the walls on the other sides. And the technician will be coming in very soon to help us with that. Dirisa, drawing up gate here. Sika ku gate here jigale wa kanu kati. Awo wali wako maawo wataire waawo. Mwajibusisa gisitulemu.